Hello, my name is Arqila. Now I want to tutorial how to make a spiral potato. Let's see the ingredients are 4 boiled potato, and after mashed like this, 1 beaten eggs, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of cheese powder, salt, pepper, parsley, and the last is oil for cooking. How to make is the mashed potato, add some beaten egg, and cornstarch, milk, cheese powder, salt, and pepper. Okay, let's mix it. Mix all the ingredients until smooth. I think it's enough for mix. Now prepare the plastic. Don't forget, prepare the plastic for the dough. And now into the dough for the plastic. Ready. Now let's cooking. And cut the end of the plastic. Okay, heat the oil. We form the dough. Okay, ready for cooking. Now stir over medium heat. Let's see the spiral potatoes. Don't break, okay? Okay, we're cooking until golden brown. And don't break, okay, the spiral potatoes. Okay, we turn the spiral potato. And don't break. Wait until golden brown, okay? I think it's very yummy. I like it. You can try in your home. Okay, the spiral potato is golden brown. Okay, the spiral potato is done. And prepare pan. Don't forget turn off the heat. Now the parsley potato sprinkle with the parsley. With parsley. Okay, I think it's done and ready to eat. Okay, the spiral potato is done and ready to eat. Yummy! Yummy! I'm ready to eat. And you can make in your home. And thank you for watching this video. I'm Arqila.